the best you can do, Viral? You carbon trioxide wasting worm.
After trashing my space base, you could have stopped, Lina. You'll regret destroying everything I had.
Faster! Do what I've paid you very, very handsomely to do.
Got anyone else? Or was that all you could afford?
You've broken me, Lina. That was all I had.
Oh, wait! I do still have a copious amount of blue goo. And an electromagnetic synthesizer.
Wow, I'm flying! I'm really flying! How fast can I go? What's going on? Suddenly I can't fly!
Have another nightmare about flying? You should just take a leap of faith off the roof and get it over with.
Wow, harsh. You okay? You've been gaming a lot lately. Like a lot.
We believe in supporting the community and the community's most needy, including the indigent, the housing challenged, and orphans.
This stanky foot sure is long-winded. How long have we been here?
I have to be here because Mr. Footer funds the foster home. Why are you here?
It was either this or serve detention alone. Principal Suarez is really on my case.
Is there something on your mind? Something you want to talk about?
What do you mean?
Well,
Come on, Walks, spit it out! What are you saying?
I know you love gaming, but I also know sometimes you play intensely because you're dealing with something.
Maybe I'm just trying to master the Daigo parry. And I need you to give me space. And I just wanna... just let me be. Walks, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have yelled at you. It's not you. I'm just angry.
I understand. You haven't been able to change into Alter Beast. You've had to keep your emotions suppressed.
No, you idiot. There's more going on than that. Dang it.
Mommy,
Everything just bugs me right now.
Are these two fighting?
Beeswax, baby. Let's get out of here before there's trouble.
Please, come with me.
Jeez, what bug crawled up your back today?
Yeah, we should head over there right now.
Enid, can you hear me?
I'm gonna be rich again. I think you'll be happy to know the words out. I have an extra-dimensional being.
Did you think I'd fall for the same trick twice? I was prepared this time. Acted before I was drained of too much life force.
Don't hurt me, and don't destroy anything else, please. This is all I have left. Walker Wong, it doesn't surprise me anymore to find you at places like this. What happened?
We were just riding the bus. Then it exploded and threw us forward. She She landed on something
a
sharp.
yellow hoodie with
Robotic arms rammed the bus, and he's now running down the highway.
Broken! You're gonna pay!
I see the suspect on the highway. Units responding. About 2 minutes away.
Hey, watch where you're going!
Dang it!
All units. 2 individuals on the highway. Yellow hoodies are suspect. Repeat, yellow hoodies the suspect.
Yellow hoodie is our suspect. Fighting with another individual in green shirt on top of truck ramp. No, this isn't a joke. Hoodie and green shirt are. Blazes, now they're jumping vehicle to vehicle. Where are the units?
Roadblock?
They're fighting on the side of the highway now! Wait, who's that? It's the Alter Beast! All units, Alter Beast spotted! Someone call Captain Singh! Just so I know we're both in agreement, this ends any long-standing grievances either of us has with the other?
Yes, I apparently took you away from your offspring for a number of solar cycles, and you obliterated 99.9% of my possessions. We're square.
So I can expect the bounty you put out on me to be recalled? I don't want to have to track you down.
Already done, although I did tell some beings the planet where they could find you. You might know them. They shot yellow lightning out of their eyes.
You snake! This is Captain Singh. Operation Rolling Thunder is in the field. Walker, can you hear me? Walker, I have something important to tell you.
I cannot talk right now. Enid's in trouble. Can we do this later?
Okay, we need to talk as soon as possible. It's extremely important. I love you.
Sniper team, you in position?
I got a shot. Give the word. Give the word.
Hold on, Captain. Alter Beast stopped the suspect who destroyed multiple vehicles. So far, she's done nothing illegal.
Jeanette, stay off this channel. Team, take the Alter Beast out. I was trying to leave nicely. Dang it, Alter Beast isn't even armed.
Leave her alone. She didn't do anything to you.
What the heck? Where'd that come from?
I told you to get out of here! I'll be fine!
I'm not letting you deal with them alone! They either stop, or I'll stop them all!
Let's see how high these police choppers can go!
Jeez. Didn't I see that guy in a Spider-Man movie? Captain, want me to take him out?
He's interfering in police business! Take him out! No! He's a civilian! Hold your fire! Repeat! Hold your fire! I hope Walk's skedaddled! Ah!
Leave Alter Beast alone.
Walk! Get out of there! Walk! Walk! Team! Secure the area! Form a perimeter! I'm approaching the suspect. Back team, fall back! Why? It's not fair! Why? Why did they take him from me? I didn't even get to apologize to him! How the heck? I thought you were done for!
Is that why you buried me?
As soon as I was shot, I started working on healing. I couldn't move and couldn't talk, so just kept healing.
Changing into Alter Beast healed me completely. Then I came looking for you. Nana and my dad are looking for me. They're really worried.
I should go then. I don't want to cause them any more grief and stress.
Rox, I want to apologize for blowing up at you earlier. Lately, I felt like my life's spinning out of control. I wish we could just run off, just the two of us, and not have to worry about school or parents or anything. But I know that's not realistic, at least right now. I can't wait until I'm old enough to be on my own.
I can't wait till we're able to be with each other as much as we want. No more you going home and me to the orphanage. You're my favorite person in the whole universe, En.